plants, 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 mosses, ferns, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. The 4 different plants you'll learn. Mosses, some of the first plants I heard appeared here on Earth. They were short, small, basic, got no vascular tissue, still need that H2O to reproduce. Root stems, leaves weren't true. Still living up on land, they thrived until 2 more types arrived. Fern and algae joined the game, and they changed up how it's played. Cause they're plants, plants. Vascular tissue made them taller. Plants, plants. Still couldn't reproduce without water. Plants, plants. No true root stems or leaves. Plants, plants. But then another type arrived. Plants, 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 plants. Gymnosperms with naked seeds had true roots, stems, and leaves. Didn't need water for reproduction. All the trees, they got lucky, cause they were pine, spruce, and fir trees. Used these cones to spread their seeds. Then came along angiosperms, and they took over the world. Angiosperms got seeds and put them in fruit casings. After the plant's been pollinated, the fruits with the ovary turns into, and the fruit disperses the seeds too. Plus the plant's flowers for pollination. The sepal sting kisses spells doing their biz. Pollinators pick up the pollen from stamens, land on another flower, and they then pollen can roll into the pistil, rolling down the style until pollen reaches the ovary, where it can fertilize all the seeds. Plus the plants were vascular. The xylem and phloem did some work, transport materials through the stem to the leaves and back again. Plants, 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 plants. Then comes time when the seed lands in the dirt with all it needs. It'll stay dormant all day until it has all it needs to germinate. The embryo will start to grow some roots. It'll grow a stem too. Soon the embryo pokes out the ground, and it won't need the foods got stored around, cause it'll have its own leaves and make all its food through photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is an interesting process. Almost all plants use it, even mosses. That's how the plants get their food. Water, sunlight, and CO2. All the magic happens in the leaves, cause they're plants. All they need is CO2, water, and plants, plants. As there's a mesophyll layer. Plants, plants, with cells that have chloroplasts. Plants, plants, for making food that's built to last. Plants, plants, the leaves excrete oxygen, cause it's a plants, 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 plants. We take back in more CO2 again, but with plant parts that's just a few. Now we'll talk about the roots. Down in the soil is where they grow, sucking up nutrients and water from down below. When it comes to roots, there's 2 types. Fibrous roots are string-like. Taproots go from one big root into the ground, then little hairs sprout out. The roots keep the plant nice and secure, and might just store some extra sugar. The stem helps keep plants upright, supports the flowers and leaves right. Plus will transport resources, and vascular tissues got this. And now I think we both know the plants are awesome, and so is this video.